This is the Cortina Duo, a portable air conditioner from Woods with 3.5 kilowatts cooling capacity, which makes it perfect for areas and rooms up to 35 square meters, but also with the added feature of a heat pump. It's won several Best in Test awards over the years, and included in the package is the exhaust pipe, the window kit, and the remote control. To turn the unit on, press the power button. Now you have 5 different modes to choose from. Air conditioning mode, dehumidification mode, heat pump mode, fan mode, and echo mode. In air conditioning mode, you can choose your desired temperature by pressing the up and down button to choose temperature. I've now chosen 22 degrees. And now the portable air conditioner will start producing cool air. So the unit will only start when the room is warmer than the 22 degrees. You can set between 3 different fan speeds. In dehumidification mode, the portable air conditioner will run as a dehumidifier continuously. So you can't set a relative humidity when you want the unit to start and stop. In heat pump mode, the portable air conditioner will produce heat instead of cool air. Now you set the temperature by pressing the down and up button. Now the portable air conditioner will only start when the room is cooler than your desired temperature, and it will produce heat. Next mode is the fan mode. And now the compressor will stop and it will only run with fan. You can set your fan speed by pressing the speed button. The final mode is the echo mode. It will run just like a portable air conditioner, but with a difference. When you reach your desired temperature, the unit will stop, and after 2.5 minutes, it will start the fan in low fan speed for 30 seconds, just to check if the heat or if the room has become warmer. If it hasn't, it will stop again for 2.5 minutes and start again for 30 seconds. If the room is warmer, the compressor will start and it will run as a portable air conditioner, just like normal. You can use the timer in 2 different ways. The first one is when the unit is on. Now press the timer button when you want the unit to stop. Choose time by pressing the up button. You can choose between 30-minute intervals up to 24 hours. When the lights stop flashing, you have set the timer. I have now set the timer for 2 hours. That's when I want the unit to stop. To cancel the timer function, press the timer button again. The second way to run the timer is when the unit is off. Press the power button to turn the unit off. Then press timer. Now you choose when you want the unit to start. Choose time by pressing the up button. And when the lights stop flashing, you have set the timer. I have now set the timer that I want the unit to start in 3 hours.